Welcome to PrimePix Lab. The best Samsara Dash Cam is probably one of the most advanced fleet management solutions available today. It's designed to provide real-time visibility into your vehicles and drivers, offering features like live video streaming, incident detection, and driver behavior monitoring. This technology not only enhances safety but also helps streamline operations and reduce costs by providing valuable data insights. Number 5. ROVE R2-4K Dash Cam. This dash cam records videos in stunning 4K resolution. You'll notice a significant difference in clarity and quality compared to other dash cams. The night vision technology ensures clear footage even in low-light conditions. With built-in Wi-Fi 6, you can easily view and manage recordings using the ROVE app on your smartphone. Download videos directly to your phone at high speeds and share them with friends and family on social media. The built-in GPS accurately records your driving location and speed. You can view your driving route and track it on Google Maps using the app or the GPS player. Firmware updates are provided for free, ensuring the device stays up to date. The dash cam includes a supercapacitor, a wide-angle lens, and features like parking mode and motion detection. It also supports loop cycle recording and emergency video lock, providing comprehensive protection. It supports up to 512 GB micro SD card. This car dash camera comes with a full 1-year warranty. You can easily reach out to customer care via text or email for fast responses and issue resolution. The company is based in Chicago, USA. What we like. This dash cam boasts stunning 4K Ultra HD recording, ensuring every detail is captured with exceptional clarity. With its built-in Wi-Fi 6, you can quickly download and share videos. If you are looking for a dash cam that delivers top-notch video quality and convenient sharing capabilities, you should consider this one. What people say. The setup is simple. There are tons of quick short videos to help guide you on how you might want to tuck away the wiring. You just plug it into the car charging socket. You can also hardwire it into your car if you're knowledgeable and comfortable doing so. I like that it has parking mode, which means the camera will automatically turn on and record for a bit if it detects a sudden impact movement while the car is parked. I also tried the app. It lets you download your footage in real time by connecting to the dashcam's built-in Wi-Fi. I highly recommend downloading the newer beta app, which currently has an all-orange UI. The old app hasn't been updated since 2019 and had tons of negative feedback, so I didn't even bother with that. I think the app is a nice benefit. It's nice if you need to quickly share a photo or footage of what just happened on the road, but you don't have the time or ability to connect the dashcam to a computer or other device. And you do this by connecting to the dashcam's built-in Wi-Fi. You don't have to do anything special or complicated to set it up. It's pretty self-explanatory. By the way, if you have any trouble connecting to the app, you might have to disable mobile data on your phone to properly connect. I'll be sure to update this review if anything comes up that greatly impacts my impression on the product, but so far I'm satisfied. I'll be sure to take care of this one. My last dashcam stopped functioning properly because I would leave it in the car 24/7, even during extreme summer heat or extreme winter cold. Edit 4-10-22 I've owned this for a few weeks now. I recently decided to hook it up to my PC to check on the videos, just to make sure video audio were being captured properly and that there were no issues. I was pretty horrified at first to see that the video seemed really glitchy choppy. It was practically unwatchable. I did some quick Googling and saw some people suggest it could be the frame rate resolution that it's recording in. And then I remembered that the instruction manual mentioned using a decent video player, specifically something like VLC. So that's what I did. I already use VLC for other things on my PC, so I opened some videos in it. No more choppy jittery video. Everything was smooth and amazing. So, in short, if you're noticing that your videos appear choppy and strange, I'd suggest either playing back your videos in something like VLC and not your basic Windows media player. It'd also be worth it to maybe try lowering the camera's FPS resolution settings if that still doesn't work for you, although I would say lowering the quality should probably be a last resort, since, the whole point of a dashcam is so that you can capture everything on the road in perfect quality. The only gripe I have now is that the dashcam itself seems to slightly shake jitter when driving at certain speeds roads. I think this is a result of the car's vibrations. I'll try to see if this'll be fixed by tightening the mount or repositioning it a little. It's possible that we just didn't have it locked in properly. I haven't been the one personally driving with the webcam lately. So maybe my family members flubbed on that. It's nothing too crazy, though. Still happy with this device. Very worth it. Final edit 7-21-22 It's been 4 months since I owned it and it's still incredible. I've even connected to it to share a clip of a dicey moment I had on the highway. I did this by connecting to my PC. The app is still an amazing option to connect remotely on the spot, but I was already at my PC anyways. I wanted to take a moment to commend their support team as well. I recently contacted support because I somehow managed to push the power button in so far that it got stuck. I was surprised that this happened. This made it difficult to turn the camera on off at will. I contacted their support team directly after finding their email on their website. I described the issue, provided picture evidence and proof of purchase, then they were able to process a replacement as it was still under warranty. The entire process was smooth and hassle-free. It didn't take very long at all for the replacement to come in. I customized the settings and took some video footage plus photos as a test. Everything was perfect. Number 4. REDTIGER F7 NP 4K Dash Cam. This dash cam records in stunning 4K resolution, capturing every detail on the road. It also records in 1080p for the rear, ensuring comprehensive coverage. This helps you to read the key details like road signs, vehicle number plates, etc. Equipped with an f1.5 aperture and HDR/WDR technology, it delivers exceptional night vision. You can capture clear footage even in low-light conditions, ensuring safety at all times. Connect the dash cam to your smartphone via Wi-Fi. You can easily view, playback, and manage recordings through the app. Share your travel experiences with friends and family with just one click. The built-in GPS records your driving route, speed, and location. You can track your journeys on Google Maps or using the GPS player. This provides valuable evidence in case of an accident. It features loop recording and a G-sensor to automatically save and lock collision videos. It also offers a 24-hour parking monitor with time-lapse function, providing continuous protection. Please note that a hardware kit is needed. The product is backed by an 18-month assurance and a 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you have any issues, please contact us. Note, the car charger needs to be connected to the car's cigarette lighter. What we like. This dash cam offers 4K plus 1080p dual recording, providing comprehensive coverage of the road. Superior night vision ensures clear footage in low-light conditions. If you value both front and rear recording with excellent night vision, you should choose this one. What people say. They fixed them quickly, and when I got my cameras today and put them in my sedan and pickup truck, they worked seamlessly. Easy to install and with clearly written English instructions. Crystal clear video, front at 4K and back at 2K, produce high-resolution video where you can read license plates and even identify who was driving another vehicle. Number 3. WOLFBOX G840S 12 4K Mirror Dash Cam. This dash cam offers stunning detail with its 4K UHD front camera and 1080p rear camera. The large display provides a wider view, significantly reducing blind spots. This feature enhances your safety on the road. With the included GPS antenna, you can see real-time data directly on the dash cam. You can also connect to your phone via Wi-Fi using the WOLFBOX app to view, playback, and share videos. It is very convenient. The camera features a 170 degrees front lens and a 140 degrees rear lens, minimizing blind spots. The smart split-screen function allows you to monitor both views at once. The curved screen blends seamlessly with your car's interior. The G840S has an upgraded LCD to reduce reflections. It uses WDR and HDR technology for balanced lighting. The professional-grade sensor and 6-glass lens ensure great image quality, even at night. Besides on-the-road safety, it also features a 24-hour parking monitor. Time-lapse mode records at a low frame rate to save power and storage. A hardwire kit is needed for this function. What we like. This mirror dash cam features a larger screen and wider view, minimizing blind spots. With its 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi and GPS tracking, it offers convenient connectivity and accurate data. If you like a discreet design with enhanced safety features, you should consider this one. What people say. The WOLFBOX was easy to install. Video is of exceptional quality on the front cam and good quality on the rear cam because it is looking through glass. The resolution during daylight is outstanding and sharp. Number 2. Vantrue N2 Pro Dual Dash Cam. This dual dash cam captures both the road ahead and the inside of your car simultaneously. It records in crystal clear 1080p resolution for both front and interior views. This is a great option for rideshare drivers. When you only need to record the front, this camera can capture footage at 2.5K resolution. This allows for clear details like license plates and road signs. You can also switch to a smoother 1080p mode. The interior camera uses infrared LED lights to see in the dark. It ensures clear video even when the inside of the car is dark. The front camera balances light and dark areas automatically. This camera has a 24-hour parking mode that records when motion is detected. It starts recording automatically when the car starts. The screen can also turn off automatically to avoid distractions. It records in a loop, overwriting old footage. A G-sensor detects impacts and saves important videos. You can also add GPS to track your driving route, location and speed. It comes with an 18-month warranty and offers quick customer support. It can help lower your insurance costs and provide evidence in case of accidents. It's easy to install and use. What we like. This dashcam excels with its dual-lens 1080p recording, perfect for rideshare drivers. Its infrared night vision ensures clear footage inside the car. If you are a rideshare driver or need to monitor the interior of your vehicle, you should choose this one. What people say. The Vantrue was a breeze to set up and is always running when I want it on. The quality is great, and it's higher quality than the Tesla recordings. Vantrue paid attention to detail when they put a power plug on the suction cup mount so that it would be streamline. Number 1. ROVE R2-4K Dual Dash Cam. This dash cam offers dual-channel recording. It captures footage simultaneously from both front and rear cameras. The front camera records in 4K, while the rear captures in 1080p, ensuring clear recordings. Equipped with a Sony Starvis 2 image sensor, this camera delivers exceptional image quality. It provides vivid colors and sharp details, even in challenging lighting conditions. The f1.5 aperture allows more light to enter the lens. With built-in dual-band 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, you can manage recordings on your smartphone. You can download videos directly at speeds up to 20 MB SEC and share them easily. The dashcam comes with built-in GPS. It enables you to view real-time speed and compass on the screen. It records driving routes and speed stamps directly on the video. It includes a free 128 GB microSD card and advanced features. It has motion detection, G-sensor, and emergency video lock. The built-in supercapacitor extends the product life. The R2-4K Dual offers a custom-designed 24-hour parking mode. It has options for 1 frame per second time-lapse video, motion detection, and collision detection. If an event occurs, the camera records a full 1-minute video. What we like. This dash cam offers 4K front and 1080p rear recording with a Starvis 2 sensor for exceptional image quality. With ultra-fast 5G Wi-Fi, you can download videos quickly. If you want the best image quality and fast file transfer, you should consider this one. What people say. The camera produces excellent image quality, and I was surprised to find that it is capable of embedding your speed and GPS coordinates into the video itself and also displays on THR screen as you're driving. You can view the camera live on your phone screen when connected to Wi-Fi, and you can easily download files from the camera to your phone over the app. I also love the rear-facing camera, and it's really useful as you can use it as a digital rearview mirror as you're driving, which I found pretty neat and useful. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.